was one person ten from the store, you know, was on okay. Ngicela emehlweni amabovu ngoba kade ngikhala ubusuku bonke because mina ngikwazi ukukhala ku social media. Mina ngikhalela ngedwa. Ngikhala alone, ngikhala ku social media. Ngeke ngikhale la ku social media mina. Amehla amabomvu ningixolele because kade ngikhala ubusuku bonke but ke story nas asikho, it's nothing major. You guys are making it so major. It's nothing major at all. Izolo actually uma akahlali la eThekwini ngihlala eGoli, mina ngihlala eCape Town. So I visited here because obviously I miss my family. And then when I got here, now she was back. We had a meeting together, ukuthi because initially we were xabene nonto ayina, but ke obviously now nonto nami ngiyangena. But we had a meeting ukuthi we need to resolve this thing. And then like we needed to say our parts ukuthi lalela, don't treat us like that. Naiwash, don't treat me like that. Okay, fine. Now it's all, we were very much okay. Like we were a happy family, very happy food Macon. The problem started whereby Upalisa was a Cape Town. She mentioned in the Bogutin imali yami ingena nini. So normally Dala we used to share imali esihola Facebook, but because it's incane and vele uma uyasebenza mina ngisebenza, we said ukuthi I'm gonna keep the money so that I can pay for my contracts and pay for my my accounts. So now Upalisa ke izolo uyabuza ukuthi hayibo ayikakhahleli imali, ngithi nayi no ayikakhahleli. And then she asks ukuthi how imali ya Facebook ngiyifuna imali yami, ngiyifuna knowing how ngiyamazi ukuthi njani ngevele ngeke ngikwazi ukuphotsha because I'm not in that state and I'm not okay. And then when she said that, I kept my cool because ngiyamazi vele ukuthi umuntu onjani. And then I told her ngathi mina now we had an agreement ukuthi imali ya Facebook I'm gonna keep it until I find a job at Cape Town. Then when I find a job, obviously, and then we're gonna split it into half because vele sasihlezi kanjalo. Well, then they be angichafisa because angina energy, like angina energy ukuchaza because it's like. So now here's the thing. We are like uyakhuluma when I went to lose like awurabishwe ingane useless. Now what triggered me is not the fact that I'm useless because vele amagama engikwaziyo lawo hleze ngitshena wona njalo mayidiniwe or masixabana because we always fight naye. And not that I'm useless because leyo nto ngiyazi ngayo mina ngibuye eCape Town like angekho kudla. I bought a grocery because uNtokona bebexabene nomama ngagrocer mina. So obviously leyo nto lo mndeni amakayazi ukuthi mina angithengishe isinkwa ngizwa ngani nakhona. And then yo mase ngimtshela ngithi mina angithandi indlela ongitreata ngayo because ngingane yakhe egcineni. I want you to treat me as your child, not as your colleague. Inkinga iqale lana, akuzange iqale inkinga ukuthi kutheni athi I'm useless child. Inkinga iqale kutheni athi umshado wami urabisha kawuboni. Now that's where I lost it because all the time masixabana uzoyifaka lento ukuthi umshado wami akawuboni. I don't want us to fight and then involve abanye abantu, and more especially umuntu engimthandayo mina. Now that's when I lost my cool. I don't want to lie. Ukumthuka ngazi ukuthi ngithuke nini, but ke ngizwe ngani nakhona futhi because mina low life yakhe ngiyibonanga ngifuna nokuyibuka because ngiyamazi unjalo. Mama phela ngikhumbule my mom is an actor, guys. She's an actress in so many soapies. And she's a cry baby. Just because ikhala umzala kusho ukuthi ingane ayikwazi ukukhala. just because ngibona umzali ekhala kusho ukuthi manje ngabona ingane ikhala mina ku right or ingane wrong just because umzali uyakhala. That's my mom. My mom will cry whether she's happy, she'll cry whether she's sad, she'll cry whether she's excited. She's a cry baby. And mina, I'm not a cry baby. Angikwazi ukukhala mina. Ngikhale because ngibona ningiposta nje nithi hayi ngenzeni. So when she triggered me, if menshina igama amagama abuhlungu kumina, ngambuza ngathi mina, how do you expect payment when you know very well ukuthi you didn't work last month? Because ngihlala eCape Town, ngihlala eGoli wena. Ubusebenza kusiphetho, wasebenza kule ntonjana kwiKwanjomani. And then she asked me a question, wathi today, because tomorrow we have an interview ku Khosi FM. So what do you mean ukuthi angisebenzanga? Ngithi mina nakhona futhi akasho ngendlela mina ngisho ngayo, mhlawumbe mina ngisho phansi like uyathetha uphezulu high. Ngithi mina i-interview yethu yeku Khosi FM akuyona ntonjana iya Facebook. I-interview yeKwanjomani ukuthi siwine i-award. Wathi uGeli, kusho ukuthi mina kahlahla ngilutho. Ngithi mangisho ukuthi uyilutho wena, uwena uthi mina ngilutho, uthi mina ngithenga ilutho, ngithenga isinkwa, angenza ilutho like angipheki. Kodwa izolo uphekelwe yimina, ukudla okuphekwe yimina wena izolo. Izolo wena ukudlenelwe yimina igceke lonke. But now you forget. I think she has an amnesia. And then I mentioned ukuthi, remember one thing, ukuthi you got paid way more than us kwiKwanjomani. So don't expect ukuthi ngibe nemali mina, because anginayo imali, because iKwanjomani didn't pay me that much. It paid me a cent. And wena, you got paid imali eningi. And that's when she lost her cool. She took a glass at the pose and drinking. Wangijaha la egcekeni. Okay, ngabaleka. Mase ngithi ngiphuma ngegate, ngastaka unyawo, wangishaya ngeglass, wazi wangiqiqiza ngayo emlenzeni. Njengoba ngipostile isithombe sokuthi ngilimele. Phofu ke angizile la kuzothi ngi-right, because ekugcineni ngiyingane. Futhi lowana uma wami umzali wami wangizala. Angikho right at all. But the way into portray ngayo ku TikTok, it doesn't put amagama right kumina. But also I'm not here to justify myself. Nina ngicabanga ngicabangayo. I actually don't care, man. I'm a person who has a very thick skin. I really don't care. Like guys, mina got trenda. Ngalomfana thing trendisa ku TikTok kwathi ngayibhoshela. Hayibo guys, I guys ngithinte. So nalena enisho, guys ayingithinte at all. Mina ngiyamazi uma inkinga nina nimazi uma waziwe yithina la ekhaya igcikeni. Siyamazi, siyamthanda. Uyena nje unje. But for the fact that she went on social media and said lies, it's what I don't know. So I'm here to actually tell you, like I don't care about what you guys are saying at all, Shem. I really don't care at all. Like you can say whatever. Ngami, akungithinti Shem. Akungithinti because kusasa sobe sesiright noma. Kusasa, like we always fight. We always fight. Kusasa sobe sesiright noma because umzali wami igcinela kena umzali wenu. Ekugcineni nje umzali wami futhi ngiyamhlonipha. She's hurt, I'm hurt. We are both hurt. So ukuthuka umzali angikwazi mina ngikuzwe ngani kodwa ke phela. You are your mom's maid influencer, don't be on a high horse. But I don't see any horse. Like I'm trying by all means to be as calm as possible. please fix things between you and your mom, or your man or my mom. Please, we love you. Yeah, we're gonna fix things. Like, guys, Lalel, you only seeing these fights, and like, we're always fighting. Because we are like that. We are a unique family. We fight all the time and we fix all the time. The fact that now it got out on Instagram or on TikTok, it doesn't mean it's different to our fights before. Actually, this is the lowest fight. I don't even see this fight as a fight and cool. This is the lowest fight. Sonji, I don't even know why we're worrying yourself. Pepe sababa. I don't know what I mean. I have a thick skin. I don't like angwazi mina ukukhala futhi angikwazi ukudinga isikhathi eside. But umawami again umawini. Like hathina siyamazi. Unjina nje. She's happy, she will cry. She's sad, she will cry. It's not a bad thing. I think she's hurt at the fact that we sixabene, of which very much she always cries. But mina angikwazi ukukhala, angingeni umuntu okhalayo. I only cried nje izolo ebusuku sengiyolala. Otherwise ngakho ngivuka emhlanje ebomvu. Otherwise nje angingeni umuntu okhalayo. If you don't care about what we say about you, bengeke uzosichazela la chico. But if you did insult to go and apologize to Sonke. We always fix it. Yes. Hence I'm saying we're going to fix it. But the reason why I'm here, it's because now everyone is on my case. I'm receiving calls. Like what the hell is going on? We always fix things, Tina. As far as my fix isn't. My mom is my best friend. Kalogo, best friend yakho nihlezi ngicabana nayo yazi lo nto ngithi. So my mom is my best friend. Huh? Ngavini. Ngizoba sharp jikho kuzodlula hlezi uxatshana kubuye kudlule ingoba abantu bayathanda ukukhuluma ncase. Yeah, no, ayikhuleka Jom. Sinemase baratha phela iqala uxabana noma agcineni. So you're proud that you fight with your mom. She brought yours fight to social media, so accept the criticism. What fight are you talking about, baby? Because of Sangasil? I'm confused. It's not a bad thing. When I think ngcono yazi ukuthi ingane umakho kodwa umzali bakho. Nami angazi ngithi intanga yami. Phoma ngobhutweni indaba ngikhulumeli mina. Doesn't make sense. Because if nina nithi maweni nami ngobhutweni futhi abe nithi ma, you should not have brought this on social media. Please fix this with your child at home. Then siyakhuluma ukuthi ayike. Uyile nekhosini phela ngiyanga mina nekhosini because obviously bengifuna ukumnika leyo platform ukuthi because if I went there because it was gonna look like ngingane engahloniphe edelelayo because obviously she was gonna say things that triggers me again. And obviously I also have feelings. Guys, just because I'm a child does not mean I don't have feelings. We all have feelings. So obviously, if I went there because FM, she was gonna say some things and then nami ngizochika the shake. Gonna say xatshana futhi kabusha. So angisafuna uxabana angithandi. I really don't like uxabana. But what I don't like ukuthi njalo maxatsheno kufakwe udingiswayo, and I don't like that. Like udodami ngenaphi guys? know, man. Why only mazmakho kanje? Please, ehlisa umphakamo. Angisazi ngempela ke manje. Angisazi ngempela ke manje. You are speaking from a place of hurt. She's speaking from a place of hurt. Thank you, Muhle. Like done deal. You are speaking from a place of hurt. She's speaking from a place of hurt. I'd recommend counseling individually and together. News about rights, cool things will. That's all we're all praying for, like higher. Like we are all praying for the same thing. We should go for a counseling. But thinking Uma, she does not like a counseling because she does not want to tell King Azaki Gumunyu. She sounded calm on cozy. I think you guys will sort it out when she comes back. Yeah, sure, we'll sort it out then. Please, chicken, apologize to your. Okay, I love you more. Ungazozihlanyela thina yini esithendelela umuntu omdala. Hayi wena uRudi kabi. Waqoma nje uyeyisa. Ungaqomi nje nawe yise o. Qoma phela nawe sisiweyise o. Yabo. Kamanje uzodakelwa mina. Don't worry guys, like hey Bonina, why are you taking this fight as a big fight? This is the smallest fight we've ever had. It's just that here on social media. It's not like how we always like guys, we always fight. Like strangle me fight. I fight you know kwazo ngikwazi kancane kafuthi mina. Sengizophola futhi ngikwazi kancane. Mina Sibonelo Chiko, I hear you, but I feel like the problem is how she took in what you were saying. Yes, thank you. I think because remember, when you say things, get energy or ngayo, and now when the words are reciprocated to you, we don't know how you're going to receive them. So I understand she received my words in a very different way. Hence I'm saying we all have feelings. And abazali tend to say things to us that break us. And hence why ingane zamanje is depression. Hence why ingane zamanje ezibulala. It's because our parents say things to us. And amagama ahlala mina ngcono ngishaya. Hence I don't care about this wound. Like I really don't care. Ngcono ngishaya kunokuthi usho amagama azongilimaza ahlale kumina because ekugcineni masungekho emhlabeni ngizoba nale anger ukuthi you once said things to me, hurtful things. Angilutho, ngisihlama, ngiyinja, angithengi lutho la ekhaya, angiclean, angipheki. Hayi sana, shuthi izolo besidla ukudla kupheka uZusi. Ngiyabonga Sibongile. Your feelings matter no matter what. You are young. Abazali basivisa ubuhlungu sometimes. And guys, mina, like, imagine my sister was saying this thing. It's in Dogona 27 years. 27 years. I have to understand my mother, but I still don't understand her. She has to say things to me, but at the same time, when I reciprocate, it's a problem because Lamagama Shalil again for so long. Same thing with me for 23 years. I really had to try and understand my mother, but at the end, I only took it as now she's just my colleague, Shem, and because I feel like in mother role, like I was with to the point that if you are able to say such words to your child, oh, it's very disturbing to me. Ngingazi phela kunina mhlambe makini niyathuka nje nithukwe kanjalo, but guys, mina ngcono ngishaye ngeke mfana, ngcono ngishaye. Awukwazi ungibiza ngisahluleki mina. Like you really cannot ungibiza ngisahluleki. You can't. And bayakwazi ukushare isilonda abazali, that's true. How I deal with it is I say how I feel. I don't fight her, but again, how? I was telling her how I feel. Like I was so calm. I don't like the way you are speaking to me. Can you please try another manner of approach? And then that's when the fight started. Because now she does not have a manner of approach guys, Uma is a mother of the nation. She's very big. She's a mother of the nation to you guys. But she's not a mother of the nation to us. My sister was saying the same thing. But it's fine. I mean, I really don't care how you guys feel about me, Shem. Okay, so please move out. Thank you. Hence, I'm staying in Cape Town because I moved out, and hence why. Oh, and then I told them the money that will come to me, given Kokela phone, based on Kokela flights air Cape Town. She was like, "You went in Cape Town, go on very short to work a walk." And the good thing, I really supported her. Go back, honestly speaking, shame, girl. Like I love the way they are. They are so beautiful together. And the only thing I wanted is the same support, but I don't receive that. Excuse. Ukhuluma. I think ushayela ukuthi ukhuluma ngaye kubantu engazwani nabo. So try to have a look. Hayibo. Lalela ke we GT. So when she was chasing me with a glass, ne? She chased me twice like again. And then I wanted to go out the gate because the gate will leave. And then I got stuck. I'm stuck. That's what I'm shying on the portal because I'm full with it again. Now when I saw the blood, that is when I told her wrong. So I was saying out of anger, wrong because when you're a mother, that's what I said. And then I did not say in the Mazaki as if manje wrong. But okay, so it's cool, that she can gwaza me in front of my family as a Cape Town because in the Super Lisa I was a Cape Town, so it's cool with an gwaza. Doesn't make guys like I sense the sense it's okay go to when I'm like I don't make it make sense, guys. It's okay to say such things to me, but I cannot say such things to you. I'm also human. Hello. Izindaba zomndeni bakusingazingeni kakhulu labantu bayatha. Thank you man. Yabazi abazali bese kungathi uyabadla ama drugs ngempela. Uma ngifunde kahle ngemessage yakho mhlawumbe ngibona Messi nonku uyawadla ama drugs ngempela question mark. Kizothi mama ngiyawadla nje kakhulu, ngiyawadla ngilala kuwona shangisho tick O, Tsango, Tashi, yes. Ngiyawadla mama yeso. Ngiyawadla my baby. Ngiyawadla sando sami. Ngiyawadla nje. Ngiyawadla ngicela ngise rehab yeso. Ngoba nasekwazi ukuthi ngidla ama drugs mama yeso. Uye Cape Town lapha uba happy. Yeah, babes. No, angithi ngiyasho ukuthi I came home to visit. So I'm still going to go back to I was planning to go back to Cape Town on the 5th of August because when Funga with Boys in Heels. I understand. Not that in Klalalan, I just came to visit and then leave on the 5th because Ngizano Palisa, she's here and visiting my family and visiting me especially. So let's put it back now. Uzokubangela amabhati. Hayi ko kade ngabana amabhati mina. Kade ngabana amabhati mina oyibo. Ngeke. Amabhati into yami mina khuleka. Ngizojuka abazali bathatha into encane bayenza into enkulu. Uyabazi nje. Ingakho nje we TikTok. That's why I'm not phased, like I really don't care. The fact that you guys are even speaking about me and nina namaxoki nifike lapha ku TikTok nithi ngithoke bese nibuya like mina izoba nice. So I understand. I really don't care. Would say how the matter is handled. I mean, I'm okay, guys. I have a very thick skin, Shem. I have a very thick skin. Ungamphendula umzali mayethi wena uyisahluleki ingakho niyibulala nini. Bangidakelwa kanti. Ungamphendula umzali ethi uyisahluleki because I was telling her ngithi don't speak to me like that. I don't like that. For 23 years I've been telling you the same thing. Don't speak to me like that. Hlonipha umama. Uzozama. Hlalani phansi nomama nikhulume uxolisa. Khuleka sohlala phansi wena wakhuleka nje wena. Simon khuleka sohlala phansi ilungisa. Ubuza ngoba kusho mama wakho ku TikTok. That's why ebuza. Don't take it personal, Chiko. Ebuza ukuthi ngishaya ama drugs. Can you please describe your relationship with your mom in one word? I know you both love each other. In one word, can I have 2 words? Can I describe it in a movie? Mrs. Smith. Yeah, I'm just gonna describe it in a movie. It's Mrs. Smith. If you know the movie Mrs. Smith, that's my relationship with my mother. You know that love, like people that love each other, but they always wanna kill each other, you know? That's how it's a very fun relationship in China, I mean. It's just that now you guys don't really understand it. I just wish you guys understood it. And that's why like I book like abantu ba rights ba abanandaba nani ngitsheni ba rights bonke napha. Inina nje nixakayo. Now we are Mrs. Smith if you know the movie. Why ngathethanga uyawatha makho? She was overwhelmed. You saw her crying nje. Kanti why ungayimanje ngumama wakho? Ngimthole ephe ngeke. Uthi ngibiza umama obolile. Akabolile nebengikwazile. Da. Kanti engayini bakithi? Yena ngibize ingane esahluleki ezisihlamba nomjolo ongekho. abazali, they always play victim, and that's how they are. Shem, I don't really mind. I mean, I've always lived like that all my life. Uthe imarija nodingi engidakela. You guys know very well, I posted a video with Udingiswayo. I don't have anything. I don't have money. Yes, what's money? Yes, money is coming out 5,000. What the fuck is 5,000 rand, guys? Udingiswayo works. Udingiswayo just does not just earn. He earns. So if money, when you get the money, Udingiswayo ngidla na uyidla nami. Mhlambe esho kanjalo ke. Because le iphela contract time nice guys is 2,000 rand contract time. 2,000 rand. Ngisale ke nelinto njana ke nelo 3,000 rand ke ngibona ukuthi ngiyenzani ke ngawo ke ngibhadanisela ingubutshana ama underwears ama perfume umuntu ezonuka kahle cha. That time we're waiting for season 3. We're also waiting for, like, we're all waiting for season 3, my baby. We're gonna be so excited once season 3 has been announced. Anyways, I need to go. And also, you guys can say anything about me. I really don't care. It doesn't get to me. I really don't care. Like, I don't mind. I really don't care. But now, go to me in Islami. Ngiyalazi and like habala Qinisalami and angiyona ingane uvanzi ehamba ithuka abantu emgaqweni also, and that's why I never responded to negative comments on TikTok about that guy who was trying to trend about me, and that's why and I went as far as doing a video apologizing on my behalf, which angimcelang, but okay, it's fine. But also, as you know, mina, I really don't care how guys feel about me. Mina, I know who I am, I know what I am, and I know what I'm for. So yeah, thank you guys. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Bye yini. Engidakelwa yo chicken ohloniphi. Ngakho ekudakelwa. No man. Ngithe ngidakelwa lo bhali comment. Yazini. Cabanga ngipapa yini futhi